there's certain things that I think are remarkable about it. But
What do you think is the future of education, especially considering all the advancements in AI right now, like Chat GPT, and what happens if, a lot of these Silicon Valley people get their wish and AI is taking over the world? What's going to
yeah,
happen
I
to
think, yeah,
colleges?
I
What's going
think
to
it's
happen?
it's wonderful and horrible. Wonderful and horrible. I think when you diminish the
Kind of
human,
like a chocolate cake. It tastes great, but it's horrible for
I'll
you next
state it.
day.
When you diminish, the human condition, I think it's very dangerous. Although, you know, I've seen already GPT do some things in a matter of minutes that were as good as a copywriter, a marketer, a researcher, or an author could do in a week or two or a month. So there's certain things that I think are remarkable about it. But I've thought for many, many years that one of the problems with our digital world are that it produces addicts who are obsessed with their devices, and uh, it produces cowards who anonymously criticize everybody but don't really take responsibility for it, and it produces a disconnect, and the human connection, it's called vitamin C, of the ultimate vitamin C, is diminishing every day. And I think it's very, very emotionally and psychologically unhealthy. And that's all I can say right now. I have to reflect on it more.